welcome to the official Splashies Designer Battle, where we pit two competitors against each other in a battle of platform performance, enhanced efficiency, and of course, on-brand creative cohesion. I will be your MC for this education demonstration. The designers will also be battling against the clock to keep them on their toes. All you have to do is sit back and enjoy. Without further ado, let's meet the designers.
Hey guys, I'm John, the Senior Customer Success Manager at Splash. I'm stoked to be here. I'm very much not a designer, but I did go to a liberal arts college and I dated a graphic designer for 6 weeks, so I think I've got this handled, and I can't wait to see what we come up with.
Hey y'all, I'm JC. I am a creative designer and education specialist here at Splash. I have been designing and teaching the product for several years now, so feeling pretty confident, and we can just let the chips fall where they may.
Welcome, designers! To kick things off, we will do a coin flip to determine who has which brand. Tails will be brand 1, heads will be brand 2. JC, it's your call.
Tails.
All right, here we go. It is Tails. Never fails. That means, JC, you will have brand number 1, which is the Vista Del Mar travel agency. What do you think, JC? Pretty fun brand to work with.
Feeling pretty good.
Right on. Well, John, that means you will be getting brand number 2 called Indoor Recess. A bit of a different look and feel, very elegant though. All right, designers, the rules are as follows. You're going to be creating one event each from the same branded theme, and that branded theme's name is Access, which is one of my favorites in the entire Splash universe. You're going to do your best to reskin not only the event page, but all the touch points. I'm going to put 20 minutes on the clock. Perfect. Are we feeling good? It's time to shake those nerves and push those pixels.
Ready as I'll ever be.
Yep, let's do it.
All right, on your mark. Get set, brand. All right, while the designers get down and dirty, let me take you on a little product tour to show you how all of this works. There's a tab located along the left-hand side titled Library. Inside here is a creator's sandbox. The brand tab is where most designers begin building. After adding a brand, a designer is brought into a workspace where they upload their brand's logos, fonts, and colors, and assign them different components, like button color. The ability to add multiple font and color sets gives one the option of quickly toggling between alternate look and feels during event creation. Once all that is saved and added to the library, any event a designer creates, regardless of what branded theme they select, will be automatically refreshed with their brand's logos, fonts, and colors. Pretty sweet, right? All right, JC, catch me up. How are things coming along?
Not bad, not bad. Right now I am working on figuring out what I want to put on the event page in terms of imagery. Splash has a pretty good selection of stock imagery, so right now I'm just looking for something beachy and fun. I can apply the same type of imagery in my email templates as well as on the share card for when I promote my event on social.
That's sweet. And with the clock ticking, I'm sure it helps that all your brand's colors, fonts, and logos were automatically and dynamically pulled in.
Yeah, that's been really crucial and a huge time saver. Also, I wasn't sure if all the colors were gonna work for this theme, but it's looking really good, and especially on mobile and tablet.
Okay, lovely. Well, I'll leave you to it. John, I'm coming to you, brother. Update me, man.
Okay, so I'm throwing an event that will be back in person, but I also want to be able to add live stream, so it's virtual as well, if folks want to attend digitally. So I'm actually working on customizing the virtual event page.
Oh, neat. So I'm assuming all your colors and fonts and logos pull into this space as well?
Yeah, exactly. So I've created this cool countdown and check-in states where I was able to change the background image and then customize the text just to be a little bit more on brand for myself. Now I'm just finalizing the actual live stream state that attendees will see when they join the event.
Oh, okay. So this is where the live stream will play from, like a virtual stage of sorts?
Yeah, you got it. Exactly. I'm likely going to use Zoom for the live stream. And actually, check this out. I can add a second embed if I want to have some audience interaction. Once added, I can simply copy and paste some embed code from a tool like Slido and have that along the side.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah. I also like that I can toggle the layout to my preferences. I usually choose sidebar. That's my go-to.
Okay, designers, 10 seconds left. Make sure that you put those finishing touches on those events now. 5 seconds. And stop. Mouse is down.
Whew, that was pretty stressful.
All right, designers. Well, you deserve a glass of water or maybe even a stiff drink. Go treat yourself to that, and we will regroup when the judges have a verdict. Okay, everybody. It is my honor to introduce the 2 judges. First up, Ali DeCastro, product designer of the brand Library and Splash, and also Richard Peterson, lead curator at the Museum of Modern Art in New York City.
Okay, Richard, let's get this going by taking a look at JC's page. Now, obviously this is a delightful brand to work with, and I can see that JC was able to transform this theme with very little effort. The event page itself looks really sharp, but did you happen to see the registration form? So fun.
So fun. So fun. Okay, let's take a look at John's page as well. From the event page to the registration form and email templates to the share card, a true triumph all around. Check out his on-page confirmation. The animated GIF defines class and is very on trend right now.
No argument here. Now, everything you said is quite true about John's work, but did you happen to notice how JC was able to add a hub block to promote her upcoming events? Now that's impressive.
Wow, that's very impressive. But take a look at what John was able to pull off. Using fixed imagery, he made it look like the little squares are following you around the page as you scroll up and down. How rad is that?
Rad indeed. And I think the most impressive part is that John's not even a designer. Okay, are we ready to choose a winner?
Yeah, I feel pretty good. Let's bring them back in. I'm excited. Okay, judges, have we reached a verdict?
We'd like to award both of them.
Oh, wow. Richard, is this okay with you? Yeah, it's fine.
JC, I'm honored to present you with the Sassy Molassie Award.
Yes.
And John, that means you are taking home the hot diggity.
Yes. Honored, truly honored. Do I have time for a speech? I love speeches.
You do not.
That's fair.
Well, on behalf of everyone here at the Splashies Designer Battle, we want to thank you for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.